At our pediatric Level 1 trauma center, we unfortunately treat many head injuries that could have been prevented. So we're big on helping you be safe so you avoid a trip to the emergency room. When you're buying a helmet for your child, remember, it should fit your child now. Don't buy a helmet to grow into. Be sure you or your child tries a helmet on before buying it. A helmet should fit snugly while it sits on the top of the head. Most helmets come with foam pads that you can adjust to make sure it fits comfortably. For a proper fit, make sure the helmet doesn't move side to side. You shouldn't be able to twist it. The helmet should sit low and level on the forehead with only 1 or 2 finger widths above the eyebrow. Buckle the chin strap. The side straps should form a V and meet right below the ear. No more than 1 finger should be able to fit under the strap. You may need to remove the helmet to tighten the chin strap until it's snug. If your child opens their mouth really wide, the helmet should pull down. Wearing a properly fitted helmet can help reduce your injury by at least 70%, so always make sure your helmet is on right and your chin strap is buckled. Be safe and have fun!